Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make shironegi shiokonbu. Yesterday, I did a girls' night out with my daughter and we went to Yakitori Chicken Skewers restaurant. One of the dishes we ordered there was so simple, easy enough to replicate at home, but it was very good, so we ordered it twice. And today, I'm going to show you how to make it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with the dish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Negi, Japanese leek or white leek, salt, shiokonbu, sesame oil, and katsuobushi fish flakes. It's just random amount of everything. Shiokonbu is salted konbu seaweed. It might be difficult to find outside of Japan, but you can try Japanese grocery stores or online. I'm using only the white part of the leek. So let's cut it here. You can use the green part for miso soup. And let's make the white part into very thin, paper-thin diagonal slices. I think this isn't enough, so I'm doing another one. Let's release it in cold water. Rinse it. And leave it for 10 minutes. After leaving it for 10 minutes, drain and dry it well. Let's put it in a large bowl. Put some sesame oil. I'm doing about a tablespoon. And salt, about half a teaspoon. And toss it well. Serve in the bowl. Sprinkle some katsuobushi fish flakes. and shio kombu, salted kombu seaweed, and it's done! So easy! Mix it well before you eat. Time for the tasting. Let's mix it well. Iただきます。Katsuobushi fish flakes and kombu seaweed. These are the two ingredients we use to make dashi Japanese soup stock. Both of them contains a lot of umami, but different type of umami. By putting these two different type of umami together, you can boost it up like more than double. And I think that's why I like the salad so much. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Shironegi shio kombu is Izakaya menu, so it goes really well with beer. But if I'm having it in a combo style meal like this, it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other side. How about ebi tamadon here, which will also cover the main, and potato miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!